Semi-automatic aluminum caps metal cap sealing capping machine. Machine is fully stainless steel design. Good quality and stable cap sealing performance. Semi-automatic operation mode. Our aluminum caps sealing machine is CE certificated, meets GMP standard. Automatic operation mode. Machine is easy to operate and easy to adjust. Suitable for different kinds of bottles and caps. Factory direct, more than 8 years machines manufacturing experience. Thank you for your watching, and please do not hesitate to contact us if you are interested in our machines.